Dreaming is an intriguing phenomenon, and it is one of those aspects of the human condition which is practically universal. After all, even though we may not necessarily remember our dreams, it is something that every human and indeed many animal species experience. Despite this, we have only just broken through the surface when it comes to understanding the complexities of dreaming. One particular type of dream which has been extensively studied is lucid dreaming, an unusual state of consciousness where the dreamer is actually aware that they are dreaming. Considering just how intense and immersive lucid dreams are, the question which inevitably comes to mind is, are lucid dreams really dangerous for us? We hope that you enjoy learning about these fascinating insights as much as we do, and if that's the case, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Typically when we dream, we are completely unaware that we are dreaming, and the dream's events, characters, and environments seem real to us no matter how ridiculous or improbable they are. Of course, that illusion shatters once we wake up. A lucid dream, however, is a type of dream where the dreamer becomes aware that they are dreaming before they have woken up. The fact that lucid dreams exist raises questions about consciousness, identity, reality, and sanity, and for this reason, they have long been a topic of interest and fascination in dream research. Overall, there is no solid answer to the precise function of dreams. It is understood that they have a role in the regulation of our psychological well-being, for example by consolidating memories, processing our emotions, and providing a space for unconscious balance and equilibrium. There have been suggestions that lucid dreaming in particular is an opportunity for us to confront existential fears and explore our consciousness, expectations, uncertainties, and desires in a much more intimate and reflective way. Lucid dreams represent a hybrid state of consciousness. Research has found that they activate those parts of the brain which are associated with dreaming as well as waking. During lucid dreaming, there is activity in the prefrontal and parietal cortical networks of the brain. These brain areas are related to a range of higher cognitive functions such as attention, working memory, logical thought, self-consciousness, and awareness. The level of self-determination is also similar to the one we experience whilst in a state of wakefulness, whereas in regular dreaming, self-determination is significantly reduced. During a lucid dream, the dreamer clearly possesses awareness and self-consciousness. They can discriminate between what is real and what is not, as well as reason and engage in logical thought. A lucid dreamer remembers who they are and can still access their memories, as well as take on a third-person perspective in order to consider what other characters in the dream are thinking or feeling. Interestingly, entire interactions and discussions can take place between the dreamer and the dream characters, just as they would happen in waking life. There are also occasions where the dreamer can not only control their own actions, but those of other dream characters as well. At other times, however, the dream characters can confront the dreamer and make things happen which the dreamer doesn't want. As with any type of dreaming, lucid dreams aren't dangerous in and of themselves. At the end of the day, or rather the night, it is merely a dream which will come to an end the moment you wake up, and anything you experience in the dream cannot cause you any direct harm. As a matter of fact, several studies have indicated that people who lucid dream have found that it serves several important benefits for them, whether it be overcoming fears, addressing nightmares, spiritual growth, personal development, healing, wish fulfillment, or even problem solving. However, this doesn't mean that lucid dreaming is completely harmless, because there are some indirect factors that could negatively influence the impact lucid dreaming has upon you. For example, there have been instances where lucid dreamers have become trapped in a dream which they have been unable to control or wake up from, even though they know that they are dreaming. Not all lucid dreams are pleasant, and lucid nightmares could potentially be far more terrifying and frightening than the ones which aren't lucid. Additional negative effects could include a reduction in sleep quality, resulting in fatigue and irritability. There may be occasions where lucid dreaming also causes confusion, dissociation, subclinical psychosis, as well as blurred lines between dreaming and reality. What's more, lucid dreaming could possibly worsen or trigger symptoms in individuals who have a history or active diagnosis with mental health problems. The reason for this is because the content of these dreams could become overwhelming and compound any existing issues. For many people, however, lucid dreams are not dangerous at all. There are times where they can invoke terror and fear, but there are countless instances where lucid dreamers have said that they have also been inspired, healed, and thrilled. The truth is that dreaming is such an intensely personal and subjective phenomenon, and everyone will experience it differently. It may be, therefore, that we can never objectively say whether lucid dreaming is entirely beneficial, harmful, or neutral. Even for an individual, there may be times when a lucid dream is a positive experience, and other times when it is negative, depending on their state of mind and physical circumstances. At the moment, many of the questions surrounding lucid dreaming are unanswered. We still don't quite understand the brain mechanisms which control lucid dreaming, or even its functions or purpose. It is such an absorbing and complex subject, and there are countless avenues for further exploration and research. There is no doubt that more and more answers will come to light regarding lucid dreaming, including the opportunities and risks it offers. Until then, we can only continue to wonder as the lucid dream's most fascinating mysteries remain unexplained. Thank you for sticking with us. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel if you enjoyed this exploration. We have so much more exciting and intriguing content lined up for you.